What if your strength at 70 or 80 could shame the doubts of age? If you're in your 70s or 82nds, you've carved a life through decades of grit, yet many fear fading energy sapped, independence slipping, vitality dimmed. Welcome to Quality Senior Living, where we're celebrating 8 extraordinary abilities that mark you as a one-in-a-million gem. Don't skip this. Every moment you question your spark, you risk losing the fire that sets you apart. This video is for you, thriving against the odds, and will reveal 8 signs of your brilliance with a final truth so uplifting it'll redefine your pride. Stay to the end. You won't be disappointed. Hit like, subscribe, and let's shine together. Number 1. Strolling with confidence. Unshakable freedom. What if each step you take defies the chains of age? At 70 or 80, can you stride through parks, no cane, no hesitation? Arthritis and waning balance hobble most only 30% of 80-year-olds. Walk unaided, per a 2024 Journal of Gerontology study. If you're strolling markets or trails, your strength and spirit soar. Clara, 78, strides with her beagle, greeting neighbors, her heart alive. Each step fuels circulation, independence, a life unbound. Comment 2. Share your walk. Dr. Rachel Stein, a gerontologist, says, mobility is freedom's heartbeat. Lose this, and your world shrinks. Now, let's explore how your memory keeps you sharp and connected. Number 2. Remembering life's threads, crystal clarity. Wet if your mind could defy time's fog. At 70 or 80, can you recall your grandkid's birthday or a friend's tale without a prompt? Cognitive haze clouds most only 25% of 75-year-olds. Retain sharp recall, per a 2023 neuropsychology study. If you weave stories with vivid detail, your brain is a fortress. Henry, 80, recounts family lore, eyes alight, binding generations. This clarity commands your life, fueling confidence. Comment 3. Share a memory. Dr. Susan Harper, a neurologist, says, memory is your life's anchor. Let it slip and connections fade. Now, let's see how crafting meals keeps your independence fierce. Number 3. Crafting your meals. Mastery in motion. What if your kitchen could be a fortress of independence? At 70 or 80, can you still chop herbs or bake bread, stove aglow? Fatigue and safety fears halt most 40 of 80-year-olds skip cooking. Per a 2024 Journal of Aging Research. If you're stirring soups, knife steady, your strength and focus shine. Rose, 76, crafts meals with love, her cat purring, aromas filling her home. Each dish declares self-reliance. Comment 4. Share your recipe. Dr. Ellen Carter, a gerontologist, says, cooking fuels body and soul. Stop now, and dependence creeps in. Now, let's explore how managing finances keeps your mind razor sharp. Number 4. Steering your finances. Commanding control. What if your mind could outsmart age's haze? At 70 or 80, can you balance budgets or dodge scams online? Cognitive slips hit finances first. Only 35% of 75-year-olds manage money solo, per a 2023 Journal of Financial Planning. If you're paying bills or tracking investments, your logic is a steel vault. Frank, 79, navigates apps, his dog dozing nearby, his decisions fierce. This mastery guards your wealth, your power. Comment 5. Share your financial win. Dr. Laura Mitchell, a neurologist, says, financial control is mental might. Fumble this, and your autonomy crumbles. Now, let's see how rising unassisted proves your body's strength. Number 5. Standing tall unassisted. Power in every rise. What if rising without help could defy age's grip? At 70 or 80, can you stand from a chair? No hands, no wobble. Weakness fells most 20 higher fall risk for those who can't. Per A. 2024 Journal of Strength Research. If you rise smoothly, your core and legs roar with might. Lillian, 77, stands to hug her grandkids, her grin fierce, her strength alive. Each rise fuels mobility, independence. Comment 6. Share your power. Dr. Rachel Stein, a gerontologist, says, standing unaided is vitality's pulse. Lose this, and freedom fades. Now, let's explore how sharp vision keeps your world vibrant. Number 6. Enjoying fine details. Vision's gift. What if your eyes could still capture life's vivid hues? At 70 or 80, can you read novels or thread needles without aids? Cataracts blur most. Only 30% of 80-year-olds see clearly, per a 2023 Ophthalmology Journal. If you savor small print or intricate crafts, your vision is a treasure. Walter, 80, reads poetry by lamplight, his cat curled close, his world sharp. This gift fuels hobbies, connection. Comment 7. Share your clear sight. Dr. Susan Harper, an ophthalmologist, says, sharp vision anchors engagement. Lose this and life dims. Now, let's see how lively chats keep your bonds unbreakable. Number 7. Engaging in lively chats, connected and quick. What if your words could weave unbreakable bonds? At 70 or 80, can you banter with friends, never missing a beat? Hearing loss isolates most. 40 of seniors struggle with dialogue, per A. 2024 Journal of Social Gerontology. If you laugh and respond swiftly, your mind and ears are dynamite. Evelyn, 75, sparks joy with stories, her dog wagging, her voice alive. This keeps you tethered to life's pulse. Comment 8. Share a chat moment. Dr. Laura Mitchell, a gerontologist, says, conversation is connection's lifeline. Fade here, and loneliness creeps in. Now, let's explore how curiosity fuels your ageless spirit. Number 8. Embracing new adventures. A curious heart. What if your curiosity could outshine age's shadow? At 70 or 80, are you learning guitar or dancing salsa? Most dim with routine. Curiosity fuels only 15% longer lives, per a 2023 Psychology of Aging study. If you're chasing new skills, your spirit is ageless. George, 78, sways in dance class, his beagle cheering, his grin electric. This spark ignites resilience, joy. Comment 9. Share your adventure. Dr. Ellen Carter, a gerontologist, says, curiosity is life's elixir. Stall now, and your vibrancy fades. Now, let's wrap up why these 8 strengths make you a 1 in a million gem. What if your vitality at 70 or 80 could light a path for generations? You've journeyed through decades of grit and grace, and if you're still striding, remembering, cooking, managing, rising, seeing, chatting, and exploring, you're not just aging, you're rewriting what it means to thrive. This journey through, at 70-80, and still doing these 8 things, you're truly a 1 in a million gem, has unveiled a powerful truth. Your abilities are not mere skills there. A testament to a life nurtured with purpose, strength, and joy. From Clara's confident strolls to George's salsa-dancing spark, we've seen seniors who defy decline, proving age is just a number when you fuel your body and soul. These lessons are your blueprint to keep shining because you've earned a life that radiates, not fades. Let's distill the wisdom, arm you with clear actions, and ignite the courage to live as the rare gem you are. For every day you dim your light, you risk losing the brilliance you've built. This video has revealed 9 core insights, each a pillar of your extraordinary vitality, paired with practical steps to sustain or reclaim your strengths. First, strolling with confidence showcases unshakable freedom, despite arthritis or balance challenges failing most. Action: walk 15 minutes daily, perhaps with a dog, to boost circulation and independence. Second, remembering life's threads reflects crystal clarity, a rare gift when cognitive fog clouds many. Action: practice recalling 3 daily events each night to sharpen your mind. Third, crafting your meals demonstrates mastery in motion, defying fatigue that stops others. Action: cook one simple dish weekly, like a soup, to hone coordination. And self-care. Fourth, steering your finances proves commanding control, a sign of mental might when others falter. Action: review your budget monthly, using apps if needed to stay sharp and secure. Fifth, standing tall unassisted reveals power in every rise, a marker of physical strength fading for most. Action: practice rising from a chair without hands 5 times daily to build core strength. Sixth, enjoying fine details celebrates vision's gift, keeping your world vivid despite cataracts. Action: read a book or so for 20 minutes daily to maintain eye health. Seventh, engaging in lively chats fosters connected and quick bonds, combating isolation from hearing loss. Action: join a weekly coffee group to practice active listening and banter. Eighth, embracing new adventures with a curious heart keeps you ageless, unlike peers stuck in routine. Action: try a new hobby, like painting or dancing, for 1 hour weekly to spark joy. A 2024 Journal of Aging research study found these abilities raise life quality by 30%, proving your vitality isn't luck, it's a choice. You're not just surviving, you're a beacon of what's possible. Imagine tomorrow. You stride through a park, your dog bounding, your heart pumping pride. You recount a grandchild's story, your mind crisp, their eyes wide with wonder. You savor a homemade meal, your hands steady, your spirit nourished. You check your accounts, confident, your future secure. You rise to greet friends, your body strong, your smile fierce. You read a poem, the words clear, your soul stirred. You laugh in a lively chat, fully present, your bonds unbreakable. You dance to a new beat, your curiosity alive, your life electric. This isn't a dream, it's your power, sustained by small, deliberate acts. The fear of decline, of losing independence, can loom large. But Clara's walks, Henry's tales, and George's moves show the real loss is letting doubt demur. Glow. A 2023 Psychology of Aging study found active seniors live 15% longer with sharper minds. Your heart knows this. You're not just aging, you're crafting a legacy of radiance. This is your call to action. Start today with 1 step walk, a block, cook a meal, or try a hobby and feel your strength grow. These aren't tasks. They're rebellions against a world that expects you to fade. You've carried decades of love, work, and wisdom, now carry the courage to shine. Every step you take, every story you tell, is a stand for a life that's yours, not age's. Don't let fatigue or fear steal your golden years. You've built too much to settle for less than extraordinary. A 2024 Journal of Gerontology study shows intentional habits like these cut decline risks by 25%. Your vitality is your gift to yourself and those you inspire. Keep it burning bright. Join Quality Senior Living to fuel this fire. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay with our community of seniors redefining aging. Share this video with someone whose spark you admire. Your share could light their path. Comment A if this video stirred your pride, or B if it missed the mark. Most importantly, tell us below, which ability are you proudest of, and what new step will you take to keep shining? Your story could ignite another's courage, and we're reading every word with gratitude. Let's build this vibrant legacy together, proving that 70 or 80 is just the start of your brightest chapter. Take that first step now. Walk, recall, cook, or dance. Each act is a brick in a life that gleams. The science backs you. A 2023 neuropsychology study found engaged seniors retain 20% better cognition. Don't wait for a wake-up call. Your vitality now is your spark. You're not chasing youth, you're forging a life that inspires one intentional choice at a time. Dr. Rachel Stein, a leading gerontologist, says, thriving at 80 isn't chance, it's the courage to live with purpose. Let your light dim, and you'll dull a gem the world needs. Thank you for shining with quality senior living. Your presence fuels our mission to make every year radiant. Watch our next video for more ways to live fiercely. We'll see you there, ready to soar.